Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today in this video I will tell you about monetize YouTube channel settings. Many people call me, text me and they want to know how to make settings of monetize YouTube channels. I told them many times that there's lot of difficult settings to make for monetize YouTube channel. But randomly people ask me this question every time, so I decided to make a video on this topic. So in this video I will tell you YouTube channel step by step, monetize YouTube channel step by step, and it's of all settings. So first I open YouTube Studio. This is dashboard of my monetized YouTube channel. As you can see, if there is any update about monetized channel from YouTube, we can see here in this area. Okay, and here is our recently subscribers. This is community post. You can see here community post, and these are comment settings. Comments, here you can see comments on your videos, here latest comments, and here we can see over recently 4 videos uploaded. This is dashboard. Okay, and here are our top videos. This is very last video which I uploaded few days ago, and this is my subscribers, 10,403. This is called dashboard. Okay, after that on left side I click on content. In this option you can see your videos and monetize and their views, how much views we got on the video, comments here, and like, dislike. So here are my videos. You can see you can change monetization settings from here. If you want skippable ad on your video, non-skippable ad, all settings are here. You just click here and you can change settings of ads which you want to show on your YouTube videos. I have made video on this topic where I told you how to on all type of ads and how to off a specific ad on your videos. This is called content option, right? Next is analytics. Left side, fourth option, analytics. In this section you can see many things, like this is real time updating views. In last 48 hours I got 1658 views in last 48 hours. And which video I am getting most views, we can see here. These 3 videos I am getting maximum views. Alright. Here are my top videos with views and average view duration. And this data is showing for last 28 days. You can also select lifetime, 365 days, 90 days and 7 days also. You can check from here. Okay, we are here on overview page, right? This is overview page in analytics, and second one is reach. Here you can see reach, impressions, clicks, views on your channel, and this data is also for 28 days, last 28 days. If we scroll down, we can see many options, many things like this is my impressions for last 28 days. This is CTR, click through rate 3.9% for last 28 days. And here it is source, traffic source, from which medium I am getting traffic. Mostly YouTube advertising, channel paging, channel other YouTube features. I have no video in playlist. I did not add videos in playlist. I didn't make any playlist. This is external source that is from mostly WhatsApp business. You can see here WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. And these are my suggested videos when anyone watching my video, and he can see these videos in suggested mostly. I want to tell you about CTR. CTR is very important. If your CTR is, as I heard from people, if CTR is more than 14%, then your channel monetization is under risk. I don't know it's confirmed, but I listen many YouTubers that CTR must be under 9, 10, 8, 7. My CTR is 3.9%. I think it is good. A few days ago, I watched a channel CTR that was 35%, and that channel was still monetized. And here is engagement section. Everything is same. Here is audience, and in this section you can see which time, date and day people mostly watch my videos. Mostly not subscribe viewers watch my videos and give me maximum, and they give me maximum watch time. This is my gender option, male female percentage. This is also for 28 days. This is rent options, and let me show you customization settings. This is customization setting. This is brand setting. In this area you can change the profile photo and channel art from here. And this is third option, video watermark, where you can run your logo in entire video, end of video, and custom start time. It's up to you. This is basic option where you can write details about your channel, and you can also change your channel name from here. And this is channel's main settings. In general setting, I select Pakistani rupees PKR. This is my keywords. This is my upload default settings, and that's it. Hope you guys like the video. I will meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.